Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, April 12th. Quite an active weather pattern across the nation. We have a raging snowstorm this morning across the northern plains. Severe weather is a possibility today in the Ohio Valley, and more rain is headed to the Mid-Atlantic region. In fact, it looks like the Mid-Atlantic region will get back-to-back rain events concentrated on Friday night tonight as well as Sunday night. Each of these rain events can produce some heavy rainfall in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor. Each can have a thunderstorm or two mixed in as well. The weekend is only so-so at best. Lots of clouds dominate in the D.C., Philly, New York City corridor, with a couple of showers possible both on Saturday and Sunday. But again, the main rain threats coming over the next several days will be Friday night and Sunday night, and looks like there could be another significant rain event at the end of next week. Well, here is the latest radar loop, and again we have a lot of snow still falling with that tremendous storm over the plains. Snow this morning across the Dakotas and Minnesota, and on its eastern flank there's a cold frontal system now sliding through the Ohio Valley. It has produced some strong thunderstorms. Could be some severe thunderstorm activity out there today, and all of this heads towards the East Coast by late in the day, and especially in the overnight hours, where we will have some rainfall, maybe a thunderstorm, and some of the rain tonight in the I-95 corridor can be heavy at times. Well, let's take a look and see exactly how active this weather pattern is across the nation. We just have continued to have many deep upper level lows that help to spawn some strong surface storms, and that will be the case for the next week or so. We start off the morning here, and this is the GFS 6Z run of the 500 millibar height anomaly map, with deep upper level lows centered over the northern plains, and that's where that snow continues to fall this morning. One of the best April snowstorms in quite a while, from Colorado all the way up into the Minnesota area, the northern plains. And again, still snowing this morning in Minnesota, North and South Dakota. Now, in between this deep upper level low and the ridge along the East Coast, there is that severe weather potential for later today in the Ohio Valley, associated with a frontal system that is sliding towards the eastern seaboard. Now, let's move forward here, and we'll see the very next wave of energy here by early Sunday morning out across the south central U.S. Indeed, that looks like a very strong system. Could cause some more severe weather in the eastern third of the nation late Sunday night time frame, and then significant rainfall moves into the mid-Atlantic region, especially in the overnight hours on Sunday going into early Monday. So again, back-to-back rain events from late today into early Saturday, and then late Sunday into early Monday. And then we'll keep moving forward here now into the middle part of next week. May have a bit of a break in the action here as high pressure ridging sets up over the Ohio Valley and then into the eastern U.S. by the middle of next week. But then here we go again, another deep upper level low over the middle part of the nation by next Thursday. And that has the potential again for more severe weather across the Ohio Valley, and eventually significant rain. Looks like it'll move into the eastern states by next Friday time frame. That's still a week away, but looks like that could be the third significant rain event in the eastern part of the nation over the next week or so. Well, let's walk through the 6Z GFS surface forecast maps. Strong low pressure still sitting over southern Minnesota, with snow extending from the Dakotas all the way into south central Canada. And here is the frontal system well ahead of the surface low, but indeed still strong enough to cause some potential strong to severe thunderstorms today in the Ohio Valley. Let's now move forward in time here. Could be a couple of showers today in the I-95 corridor, but for the most part, a rain-free day, although clouds will dominate the skies. It should become breezy and warmer this afternoon, but then showers really move in late in the day, and especially early tonight. And it looks like in the overnight hours, there can be some heavy rainfall from D.C. to Philly to New York City, maybe a thunderstorm or two as the front slowly slides to the south and east. And then it just kind of stalls out to the south and east of the I-95 corridor region. We can kind of see signs here by tomorrow afternoon of the stalled out frontal system here, and that will return north as a warm front by Sunday. Can be a shower or two during the day on Saturday in the I-95 corridor, maybe a couple of showers or some spotty drizzle Saturday night, and then maybe a shower or two during the day Sunday. But here we go again, another frontal system coming through from west to east by late in the day on Sunday, and especially Sunday night. This looks like another time period where there could be some heavy rainfall in D.C., Philly, New York City going into the early morning hours on Monday. Strong low pressure ends up over the northern part of New England, and we slowly wind down with the precipitation on Monday morning. Winds will really pick up Monday afternoon, Monday evening out of the northwest. It'll be a chilly air mass moving in. It looks like we'll get sunny by Tuesday as that storm system passes on by, but the winds will continue at least the first part of the day, and it'll be turned slightly cooler. And then looking ahead again, there's a threat for another significant rain event at the end of next week, let's say the Friday time frame. So back-to-back rain events for the Mid-Atlantic region, concentrating on tonight, Friday night, and then Sunday night, and it could be a third rain event at the end of next week. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.